Hi, I'm Jeff. This is a training course about NumPy. It is part of DataBeans data science training courses, and today I'm going to give some information about this course. What NumPy is? NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It is the fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. When learning data science in Python, many people begin with pandas. They do know about NumPy, but not particularly deep into it, because they think NumPy is not as important as pandas. But I'd like to suggest you to spend some time on it and treat it as important as pandas. It will be very beneficial when you begin to write your own algorithms or try to understand works from others. Understand NumPy will also help you understand other numerical libraries, even though they may or may not build directly from NumPy, for example, TensorFlow. If you look at any text that chart or learning path for Python data science, you will find NumPy playing a fundamental role there. For example, the PyData stack. Jupyter, Matplotlib, NumPy, and Pandas are the foundation of the stack. To begin with this course, let's talk about the convention of using NumPy in case some need to know about it. When importing NumPy to your code, please use the alias NP, and we are going to call it NumPy even though it is written as NP. Code convention is very important in programming. It will help you share information between you and others. We've talked about the importance of NumPy in scientific computing, but why? We are going to learn more about it later. Now let's get a sense of it by looking at the performance by comparing with Python list. We are calculating the square of each element in an array, but in different approach. When using Python list and loop, we get 265 milliseconds per loop. When using NumPy array along with its vectorized computing, it took 1.49 milliseconds per loop. The execution time is 178th of the previous one. It is not just faster, it is really faster. It is the performance benefit make NumPy very important. In this course, I'd like to share as much knowledge as possible with you, but it's not possible for me to cover everything. That's why you also need to know how to get help by yourself. When using Jupyter, you can get interactive help. If you know a function name but want to understand the details of it, you can have the function name followed by a question mark. The docstring of the function will show from the bottom of the Jupyter notebook. You can scroll the document and read through it. When you finish reading, just close the document. We used NumPy arrange a moment ago. Let's get more information about it. The document tells us that a range returns evenly spaced values within a given interval, and we can see we can assign more argument to it if we need. But sometimes we do know something about a function, but we don't remember the name of it. In this case, we can look for the functions using the patterns in the docstring. For example, we can find all functions that mention create in their docstring. We can also find all functions that mention create arrays in the docstring. But what about the look for function itself? Then we can use the question mark expression to bring up the interactive help. NumPy comes with many functions. Given time, you will learn many of them. It will be difficult to remember each name clearly and precisely. In this case, you can list all the functions by a partial name. Today, we talk about NumPy and help you prepare for the course. If you are interested in my courses, please subscribe to my channel and learn with me. Thank you for watching. Until next time.